much obliged. Such a pleasant stay. But now it's time for me to go. The autumn moonlights my way. But now I smell the rain, and with it pain, and it's heading my way. Sometimes I grow so tired, but I know about one thing I got to do. I ramble on, and now the time is now. Sing my song. I'm going round the world. I gotta find my girl on my way. I've been this way 10 years till the day. Ramble on, I find the queen of all my dreams. Got no time for spinning. The time has come to be gone. And though our health we drank 1,000 times, it's time to ramble on. Years ago, in days of old, when magic filled the air, 'twas in the darkest depths of Mordor I met a girl so fair. But Gollum, at the evil wall, crept up and slipped away with her, yeah. Nothing I can do now. I guess I'll keep on rambling. I'm gonna sing myself. I gotta find my baby. I'm gonna ramble on, sing my song, gonna work my way around the world, baby. Ramble on.
Hey guys, welcome to Introduction to Crane Operations. Now, the most important thing to remember when operating a tower crane is that it is a joint effort between the operator and the signal person on the ground. As the building is constructed, it will affect your view, creating blind spots. When this happens, we are relying solely on the signal person to control the crane by giving us clear and precise commands by either a reliable radio frequency or hand signals. It is critical that you can trust your signal person with operational movements, as well as being able to properly rig loads so that they will be secure while they fly in the air. Now, controls can vary from crane to crane, so always read the manual before operating any piece of equipment. This particular crane is a Recon 470 made in Italy. The right joystick has 4 control movements with 5 speed variations. If we pull it towards us, it raises or hoists the cable. If we push it away, it lowers the cable. And if this crane was set on rails, which it is not, then moving the joystick left and right would move the base of the crane along the track. The red and blue buttons at the top are used to lock and unlock the traveling brake. The large red button is the emergency stop, which ceases all crane operations, and the green button below that is the start switch. And at the very bottom are our windshield wiper controls for the cab. Our left joystick controller is similar to our right joystick in that it has 4 control movements with 5 speed variations. If we pull towards us, the trolley, which also controls the location of the loads we are lifting with the crane, will move closer to us. If we push away, it will move the trolley away from us. The left and right movements control the swing motors, which rotate the superstructure left and right. The red button is our swing brake, which stops the rotation of the superstructure. The white button unlocks the swing brakes to put the crane in weather vane mode, which allows the crane to move freely in high winds when we are not operating it. The green button activates the swing capabilities after they have been locked. The yellow button at the bottom is our horn, and the switch next to that is our trolley override limit switch, which allows us to bypass the electronic limit sensors. The blue and yellow buttons on the top are programmable. All modern cranes are equipped with an LMI, or load moment indicator. This is a computer that provides us with critical information collected from electronic sensors on the crane, and it also has the ability to lock functions of our trolley and hoist drum if we go over 100% of our lifting capacity. Starting at the top, we have our date and time, wind speed and temperature, actual weight of the load being lifted, maximum capacity the crane has in its current configuration to lift, the actual distance of the trolley from the tower, the maximum distance we can trolley away from us, the actual distance of our block from the upper hoist limit, and the total amount of cable we have on our hoist drum. The bottom three circles are sensors which activate when we place our hands on the joysticks, and the three numbers below them are speed variations for each function. The concept when operating any machinery, whether it's a bicycle, your car, or heavy equipment, is learning to calibrate your brain and movements of your body to make the machine become an extension of yourself. Like anything in life, this comes with practice. If you have the opportunity to work with an experienced operator or practice before working on a job site, do that. Every machine is different. The performance, controls, speed, how they flex and move, and how they handle winds vary from tower crane to tower crane or excavator to excavator. So give yourself time to learn. We are responsible for the safety of the people on the ground, and we can only accomplish that if we are in complete control of the crane at all times.
Leaves are falling all around. Time I was on my way. Thanks to you, I'm much obliged. Such a pleasant stay. But now it's time for me to go. The autumn moonlight's my way. But now I smell the sometimes I grow so tired. But I know about one thing I got to do. The time has come to be gone. And though our health we drank 1,000 times, it's time to ramble on.
Okay, what?
I'm going round the world, I gotta find my girl. all years ago, in days of old, when magic
Good
ruled
one,
the
man. Good one
air.
now.
Just in the darkest depths of Mordor, I met a girl so fair. But Gollum, the evil one, crept up and slipped away with her. Yeah. And ain't nothing I can do now. I guess I'll keep on rambling. I'm gonna see myself. I gotta find my baby. I'm gonna ramble on, see myself. Gonna work my way around the world, ramble on, yeah. Do my baby, ramble on, baby. Do. I can't stop this feeling. I gotta keep searching for my baby, baby. I gotta keep searching for my baby.
Oye, fíjate, oye, ahora te ves muy bien tu pasillo por el lado. Manda, ojalá vaya. Ándale, que en el martillo, pues. ¿Tienes de peligro? Está. Jerry Channel 1. Jerry Channel 1. Cable up. Cable up about 5 feet. Alright, everything's looking good. Thomas, take it high. Coming to you, Jason. Copy.
Leaves are falling all around. Time I was on my way. Thanks to you, I'm much obliged for such a pleasant stay. But now it's time for me to go. The autumn moonlight's my way. But now I smell the rain, and with it pain, and it's heading my way. Sometimes I grow so tired, but I know I've got one thing I got to do. See myself, I'm going round the world. I've been this way 10 years till the day ramble on. Find the queen of my dream.
Working that swing.
The time has come
Keep
to
touching
be
that swing to the
gone.
right, please. Touching that swing to the
God
right.
help me drag a
Alright,
thousand
that's looking good
times.
there. Working that cable down.
To ramble
Looking
on.
good, Thomas. Working that cable down. Nice and easy. Alright, we got hands on it. Working that cable down about 4 feet, and then we're going to walk that trolley out.